Today, let us see how volume of irregular shape object can be measured. Volume is nothing but the space occupied by an object. For regular shape object like sphere, cylinder, it can be calculated by making use of formula. But what about irregular shape object such as stone? It can be calculated by making use of Archimedes' principle. Now, what is Archimedes' principle? It says volume of the object immersed is equal to volume of the liquid displaced. This can be verified with the help of this diagram. For this purpose, a overflow tank and measuring cylinder is used. You can see a stone tied to a string is kept inside the overflow tank. Because of the stone, this liquid will come out through the nozzle and it will be collected inside the measuring cylinder. Now, volume of this liquid will be equal to volume of the stone. Let us see all these things experimentally. Now, we are going to perform one very interesting experiment over here. You can see the two masses have been attached to this spring balance. Now, when I am going to immerse these two masses inside the water, they are going to displace the water which is equal to its volume. Now, I am interested in finding out how much water is displaced. For this purpose, I am going to make use of this overflow cylinder, measuring cylinder and the beaker over here. Just see carefully. I am going to keep these two masses over here and I am going to collect whatever water is coming out inside the beaker. Can you see this? The water has started coming out over here. I am going to collect this entire water over here, and this water I am going to measure it with the help of measuring cylinder. Now you can see that it has got completely immersed over here. These two masses are not at all touching to the overflow vessel. Now I am going to measure it over here. In front of you, I am pouring it inside the measuring cylinder. Let us see how much ml it comes out to be. It comes out to be nearly more than 20 over here. It comes out to be around 22 to 23 ml over here.